Hello everybody, it's Danny with SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee Milwaukee M18 Inflator. Model number on this guy is 284820. This thing is awesome, guys. I've used quite a few of these, including the Ryobi and the rigid one, quite a few times, and I've used the M12. This is significantly noticeably faster than both of those. And I also has a memory setting that I really like. So for example, if you need to put your tires to say 38 psi, instead of having to push up 38 times to get to the psi, you can just set that memory, and then the next time you just go through and put it to that memory setting. Otherwise, gonna go ahead and drop the battery in. Just goes right in the front into this compartment here. And the hose will unwrap from the back like so. And then we are going to go ahead and put it onto this tire here and give you actually a quick demo. So you're just going to spin it on just like any other thing going on a tire, right on there. And I'm going to turn it on. And this thing's max 30, so I think we're going to go for like, let's say 28 psi. Push up a whole bunch of times, 27, why not? And then once you get that set to 27, and you can adjust it by down or up. And again, your units is in PSI, you can change it to bar or KPA as well. Once you get your setting set, you're just gonna go ahead and hit the start button and it'll start for you. Alright guys, so that is how you use that guy. Like I said, much faster than the other ones that I've used in the past that were battery. Super awesome inflator. Anybody has any other ideas for videos, please let us know. We are trying to come up with more good ideas for future videos, so any help is super appreciated. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Not only will you get more epic videos, but we are giving this entire DeWalt drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of March, so don't forget to do that. Boop the like button. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great one.